What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of My Pathetic Life as a Homeowner. I'm in the middle of redoing the closets, ripping out all the trim, got shit all over the place. Decided to go to bed one night, eating some beef jerky and some beer, turned on some Matlock, and all of a sudden, boom, the TV blows. So now it's time to fix this TV. And in this episode, all you're gonna need is a damn beer. That's it. I'm getting tired of this shit. First things first, let's take a sip. Cheers. By the way, please subscribe. YouTube's been dicking around lately, changing all their subscriber settings and views and whatnot, so I don't make any money off this shit anymore. But if you can subscribe, it would certainly help. So let's unplug all this crap for the TV. Oh shit, oh shit. And let's see where this goes. There we go, HDMI unplugged. There's some pull cords here. Pull those down, tilt. Oh, some bitch is heavy. Holy shit, some bitch is heavy. I was not expecting that. Good old Samsung again. You motherfucker. I should probably have somebody else helping me with this. Alright, break. Holy shit. Alright, first thing I'm gonna do, take these supports off, hold the TV on. There we go. Alright, there we go. We got all the supports off. Next step in this process is taking your goddamn TV and you throw it in the pool because it sucks. And that's it. Then you go back, you grab your beer, you have a sip, and you figure out what ugly ass wardrobe you're gonna wear to Walmart when you go buy a new one. Anyways, that's it. Screw this TV. I gotta go buy a new one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Again, YouTube's been screwing around with its subscribing protocol and bullshit, and it helps. Thanks a lot.